Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Penguin. GG account is active and linked to the platform. This prevents errors later. Once done, enable two-factor authentication and make sure your payment method or credits are available so purchases won't fail. Open the Minions panel and grant any requested permissions. This authorizes the bot to operate. Do these steps now to avoid interruptions, because once the system is primed, you'll move straight into acquiring and configuring your Minion without wasted time. Next, choose a Minion based on the tasks you need automated and the tier that fits your budget. I recommend comparing stats and passive bonuses before buying. Once you've filtered by cooldown and task type, confirm the purchase and assign the Minion to an active slot so it can start working immediately. Make sure to monitor the deployment timer and any activation requirements. When the timer ends, your Minion begins performing tasks automatically, saving you manual time and improving efficiency. Finish by configuring task priorities and resource targets so the Minion focuses on what matters. Save a loadout preset for quick swaps. Once active, monitor logs and uptime to ensure rewards are collected on schedule and perform routine maintenance like clearing queues. If something goes wrong, restart the Minion process, reauthorize permissions, and check for account limits. If problems persist, contact Penguin. GG support with your transaction ID. This sequence closes the loop and keeps your Minions running reliably.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.